Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Mr. Hoirul and Miss Renilda. My full name is Triditya Susetyo. You can call me Adit. I wanna make me video with Miss Alia. This is my tutor.
Thank you. So,
Yes.
Brother Adit, do you want to make video with me? So before that, I'm Alia Muhammadiani. I'm one of MA student. So, Brother Adit, what is our topic today?
This topic today is about who am I?
Oh, our topic today is about
Who am I? Yes.
Or introduce yourself. Okay.
Yes.
So, could you introduce yourself? Who is your full name, and then where are you from?
My full name is Triditya Susetyo.
Okay.
You can call me Adit.
Okay.
I am from Bogor. I was born in Bogor,
Okay.
2004,
Okay.
10 August.
Okay, wow. Okay. So, you are from Bogor, West Java, Rhine City.
No, I am from Bogor, East Bogor.
Oh, it's Bogor. Okay. Okay. So, I want to know about traditional food from Bogor. What is a traditional food from Bogor?
Traditional food in Bogor, lapis Bogor.
Oh,
Lapis talas.
Lapis talas.
Yes.
Okay, just that.
Yes.
So, do you like that?
Little.
Little. Okay,
Yes,
little.
little.
So, okay, and others question. I want to know about your hobby. Do you have hobby?
My hobby are playing billiard, hiking, riding, and watching movie.
Oh, so do you have a lot of hobby? What is that? Watching, hiking, and then playing billiard?
My hobby playing billiard.
Yes. Do you have a lot of hobby, right?
No,
How many hobbies do you have?
watching movie,
Watching movie,
hiking,
hiking,
playing billiard,
playing billiard,
and
what?
riding.
Oh, riding.
Yes.
Riding
Riding.
motorcycle.
Yes.
Okay. For the first, do you like watching movie? What
Watching.
movie do you like?
When
I mean, what genre? Romance? or-
Action.
Action.
Yeah,
Oh,
action
action movie.
Yes.
Do you like fighting, right?
Yes, I very like fighting.
Like,
Yes.
okay, you are like action movie.
Action
So,
movie.
when do you watching movie? On Sunday, on weekend, every day?
Weekend, but sometimes
Sometimes,
every day.
every day.
Yes.
Oh, every day.
Every day.
Okay. Oh my God. So use your phone or go to cinema.
This.
Use your phone
yes.
to watching movie.
Okay.
Not go to cinema or theater with your friend.
Maybe
Seldom.
Seldom.
Okay. And playing billiard, right?
Yes.
Do you like playing billiard? Why?
I very like playing billiard.
Okay. Why do you like playing billiard?
Because when I was playing billiard, I will be focused.
Oh, because of when you were playing billiard, you will be
Yes.
more focused than before.
Yes.
That's good.
Okay.
Just like that. So
Okay, thank you.
that's why you like billiard and other sports like football or swimming.
No.
Do you like that? No.
No.
And what? Hiking.
Hiking.
That's interesting. Why do you like hiking?
Because hiking make me
Enjoy
and quiet.
Okay, because in hiking you feel quiet
Yes.
and then more enjoy than before. Make your stress go.
Well, of course.
Okay, so that's why you like hiking and
I like hiking.
riding.
Yeah,
Okay.
riding motorcycle.
Yeah, motorcycle.
Vespa.
Oh, Vespa.
Yes.
Okay.
I-
No
I
riding
like Vespa.
like what is that? Trail. No.
I like Vespa touring.
Okay.
Touring.
By yourself or with your friends? With your club?
With club.
Oh, with club. Oh, that's nice.
Vespa, my club is Vespa 11.
Oh, the
Vespa.
name is Vespa
Vespa 11.
11. Okay, that's so good. And what else? Why did you choose learn English here?
Why did you to learn
Yeah.
English?
To improve your skill or?
I improve
Yeah.
my skills.
So, you choose to learn English here.
I didn't understand
Oh.
English at all before, so that's why I came.
Okay, so why did you choose learn English here? Because of you want to improve your skill, and then you didn't understand English at all.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why you came here.
Of course.
Okay, that's good. That's nice.
Clear?
Yeah.
Finish?
Oh, I think yeah, enough.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr.
Okay.
Miss Alia.
Okay, anytime.
Okay.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi